Hello students, today let us study the mathematics of the standard 7 and we already started with the chapter integers. Today in integers we will study properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So in that first property, closure under addition, closure property under addition we will see. So what does the closure property under addition says? For any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. If you take any two integers and add them, the result will be the integer. For example, 17 plus 23, you get 40. It is also integer. Here 17 is also integer, plus 23 is also integer. Here minus 10 is integer, plus 3 is integer. The result minus 3 what you got, it is also an integer. So it's the same property will go for the subtraction also. So we'll see the closed under subtraction. Closed under subtraction. Closure under subtraction. For any two integers a and b, where a minus b is an integer. So same examples if you take and subtract. If it is 17 minus 23, 17 plus 17 is also integer, minus 23 is also integer. When you add them, when you subtract them, 17 minus 23, the greater number is 23, it has minus and right minus. Now 23 minus 17 will be minus 6. Whatever the answer you got, it is also an integer because minus 6 is an integer. Next, 10 minus 10 minus 3. In minus 10, if you subtract minus 3, both are minus, right? Minus as it is, add the numbers. 10 plus 3 will be 13 minus 13. Here minus 10 is integer, minus 3 is integer. When you subtract 10 minus 3, you will get the minus 13 as the result, which is also an integer. These are the closure property under addition and subtraction. We'll see the next property, that is commutative property. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. What it means? If you take any two integers as a and b, if you add a plus b and b plus a, the answer will be same. So for example, if you take a is equal to 13 and b is equal to minus 10. So check here, a plus b is equal to b plus a. If it is 13 minus 10 is equal to minus 10 plus 13. It has a minus sign, so minus 10 plus 13. So 13 is a greater number here, 13 minus 10 will be 3, which is a greater number. 13 is a greater number, so it will be plus. So no need to write plus. If it is not written, that means it will be plus here. 13 minus 10 will be 3. 3 is equal to 3. Like this, you can take many examples and solve. You will see that for any two integers a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is the commutative property under addition. What about the subtraction? What about the subtraction? If I take a minus b is equal to b minus a, is commutative property holds good for a subtraction. For addition it holds good because at the LHS and RHS we got the same answer. LHS is equal to RHS. What about the subtraction? Just check here. Same numbers will take 13 minus of minus 10. B I have taken minus 10. So minus 10. So minus of 13. How much will get? 13 minus into minus will be plus 10. So here minus 10 minus 13. So here you will get 23 and here you will get minus 23. Here it is plus and there it is minus. That means commutative property does not hold good for the subtraction because a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. That means commutative property does not hold good for the subtraction. We'll see the next property, that is associative property. For any integer a, b, c, a plus into bracket b plus c is equal to into bracket a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. This is what the associative property. If you change this, very simple, if you change the bracket and add, then the answer will remain the same. This is what the associative property under addition. We'll take one example and we'll solve. Let me take A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3 and C is equal to minus 1. We'll take one as a minus. So we'll check A plus B plus C is equal to bracket A plus B, complete the bracket, plus C. So substitute the values. 2 plus 3, C is how much here? Plus of minus 1, complete the bracket, is equal to A is 2 plus 3 plus of minus 1. So to write as it is plus 3 into plus into minus will be minus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5, plus into minus is minus 1. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 is equal to 4. So left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. That means associative property holds good under the addition. That means for any three integer A, B, C, A plus into bracket B plus C is equal to A into bracket A plus B plus C. See the next identity, additive identity. For any integer A plus 0 is equal to A, 0 plus A is equal to A. If you add anything with a 0, the sum remains the same. If you add 1 plus 0, it will be 1, 2 plus 0, it will be 2. So like that. So here, which is the additive identity means additive identity is 0. If you add anything with a 0, it remains the same. If you want, for example, if you take 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, or if it is 0 plus 3, you will get it as 3 only. If you add any number with a 0, the same number will come as the product. So this is what the additive identity. So the additive identity is 0. Note on the homework. Write the properties of the following with 2 examples to each property. First one is closure under addition. Second one commutative property. Third one is associative property. Note down this homework. Hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.